It's Yuri teacher time, guys. It's Friday. Time went by so fast again. Can you believe it? Yes? Do you guys have any plans for the weekend? Yes? But you guys have to stay home. Okay. Alright? Because the coronavirus is everywhere, you know. So, stay home with your mommy and daddy. And watch your teacher's video clip and do your homework. Alright? That's your plan for the weekend. Right? Alright, so let's go over all the words from Phonics 5. Guys, Phonics 5. Do you think we can finish all the Phonics 5 book till February, middle of the February? Yes? Your teacher will try, but I don't know if we can finish it or not. But let's try it, okay? So let's quickly go over all the and I'm sorry. I prepare all the Phonics 4 words from Phonics 4 cards. I prepare all the words from Phonics 4 for the Leo's class. I'm sorry. So I'm back with the Phonics 5 words. So guys, let's go over all the A words. This is A, right? So this is A. A sounds like right? A. Y sounds like yeah, but right? But when it goes to the last word, this Y sounds like E, okay? A, with the long vowel sounds together. A, okay? A. When it goes to the last, Y sounds like E, okay? A. This is A, E, A, okay? So what about this one? This is ale, ale. This is a long vowel sound words, okay? Ale, ale. And this is ain, ain, ain. It's a long vowel sound, right? Ain. A sounds like long. Ain, ain. I sounds like E. Don't forget this, okay? I sounds like E. Ain. Okay? So some of you guys are still confused with the letter I and E. Please put it in your brain right now. I sounds like E. Alright, so we're gonna go over all the ain, ale, and A words, okay? Ready? So let's go over from ale words first. Ale. Alright, so everybody, look. This is ale, right? Ale. And this is sn, ale. Snail, snail. And what about this one? Ale, male. And this is ale, tail. How easy is this? Everybody, this is easy, right? You can't read this one by yourself, right? What is it, Ryan I? How do you read this? Ryan I, what is this? Ethan? Elsa? I'm just gonna ask your mommy if you answer the correct word. Okay, so let's go over the ain word. Ain. Alright, so here we go. Ready? This is ain, and this is tr. Remember? This one is from Phonics 3. Tr. Ain. Tr. No. Tr. Ain. Train. Ain. Train. And this is ain. Rain. Ain. Rain. And this is ain. Plane. Ain. Plane. Alright, so Lily. Ain. Lucy. Did Lily say the right word? Yes? Ain. And this one is for Ryan K. Ain. Ain. Should I call your mommy right now? Ain. Ryan K. Answer the right answer. Okay, so what is plain, Aurora? Plain. Play. I know you got the right answer. Okay, so, let's go over the last word. A words. A. All right, so here we go, everybody. This is play. Play. Pull, right? Pull a, and this is tray, and this is spray, spray. Okay, so let me see. Who didn't answer? Yvonne, what is this? Play, right? Play. And Joyce, tray. What is it? Tray. Got it. Joyce. And the last one, everybody. What is this? What is this? Spray. Got it? All right, so let's go over all the words very quickly one more time. All right, so ready? Snail, right? Male. And this one is tail. Train, rain, plane, play, tray, spray. All right, so guys, you guys did an excellent work on your sketchbook. So probably next week we're gonna go to Unit 2. But you guys have to finish all your homework at home, okay? Your teacher's gonna give you the dictation part of your homework or not? Maybe not. Should I give it to you right now? No? Because you guys have so many worksheets to do this week. So, no dictation part of your homework, okay? So, finish your 7 pages. You have 7 pages of homework. So, finish up your homework and bring it to your teacher on Sarah teacher. We're gonna have a class together on Tuesday, so bring all your homework to Sarah teacher. All right, so have a great weekend and hope you guys stay home and do your teacher's homework. Don't go outside, please. All right, so everybody, I'll see you guys on Monday, okay? I'll see you guys Monday, guys. Have a great weekend and safe weekend with your mommy and daddy, all right?